Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to work with emitters in Swift SpriteKit to decorate your text fields. This is really easy to use, especially if you're building an iOS game app. Use emitters. This is really fun and this is really easy to decorate your application. So let's get started. Created a new Xcode game project and added a simple background. If you have any question regarding adding a background, please comment below. I'll reply to your comment as soon as possible. So let's go and add a new file. Go to project and add new file and select SpriteKit particle file. You can see you have several options to select. One issue is you can't see the preview here. Only after adding this file you can see a preview. I'll use this file and give a name. Here, now you can see the preview. It's like a template that they have already provided to decorate our application. You can change any value here. I'll leave value as it is and I'll just change the color to this because I like this color. Okay, now go to the Swift file that you want to add your text field. I want to add the text field in the gamescene.swift file. Please remember to add the text field inside of this didMove function because this didMove function acts like the main function of the main method of the Swift file. Inside of this method, if you want to include any element when as soon as the screen loads up, you should include inside of this method. First, you should create a mask. You should create a node that holds the emitter file that we have created recently. So let's create it. I'll name it as the node to mask. So emitter node. File name. Oops. And then give a background color to the emitter. I'll leave blue and create a crop node. So crop node. Then create a mask. Mask means the actual text you want to display. So scalable. You can give a font name here as you like. You can just Google the list of fonts that we can add in Swift SpriteKit. and give the text value that you want to display. I'll just say hello. And the font color. Green. The font size, I'll just give 100. And then you should add the mask node into the crop node, and give it a set portion. I'll give it 10. Portion. This should be 0 and 0. Sorry, I forgot to give a portion to this crop node. Let's do it quickly. I want to display my text field in the middle of the screen, so I'll set value to size dot self dot size dot width divided by 2, and for the y value I'll give self dot size dot height divided by 2, and I give the name for the node mask. This is optional. And you should then add the node mask into the crop node. Agile. And finally, add the crop node into the scene. Okay, let's run and see if it's work. Okay, it's working properly. See, this is really easy and really attractive if you use in your app. You can choose any other particle files from the given list. I hope you guys learned something from my video, so please go and like my video and subscribe my channel. Again, thank you very much for watching my video. Have a good day. Bye.